Hey everyone, my name's Alex. I'm an ex-medical student who sold all his belongings in 2012 to travel around the world. 50 countries, and the adventure continues. Good morning everybody, welcome to the city of Kargil. We got here at about 12:30 a.m. last night. It was a really rough ride driving at night. It was pretty bad. Anyway, this is the crappy hotel we stayed at last night. Let me give you a little tour. Oh, look at that. Everybody's here. Party's here. We got Lakshay, what up? We got Big S. Hey guys. All right, this is how disgusting this room was. Look at these sheets. Look at that. That's nasty. And then look at my pillow. Oh, that's disgusting as well. I had to put a t-shirt over my pillow because it was just too disgusting to put my face on it. So. What was your room, guys? Was it a good room? Yeah? Oh, let's see their room.
It looks like 15 people living there.
Yeah, it looks like 15 people. Oh my gosh, look at this. What a mess. That's fantastic. At least your sheets are clean. That's always a plus. Oh man. Look at all this dust. Look at that. Anyway, it's not always luxury when you travel, but hanging out with these guys definitely makes it worth it.
But we are managing.
Yeah, we're managing. It's really not that bad. But God, look at my hair. This is my morning hair.
Typical Indian thing.
By the way, that room was about 10 degrees hotter than it is here. Pack up here. All my stuff is ready to go. I'm waiting on these guys. Travel so much, you always have to have discipline. You have to leave at a certain time because if you don't, you lose light, you lose time to film. We're gonna pack up, get on the road, and see you there. Show me the video we just made for, that I just made for, Lakshay. Look at that.
Everyone's watching, watch it
Sharing
now!
on Facebook.
The most epic drone video.
Look at that, that's what we filmed yesterday, guys. Yeah.
Facebook पे डाल दो, YouTube पे.
So cool. Alright guys, we are now fueling up. Here's the gang. Petro, because you're doing good? Yeah, he's doing good. Lakshay's doing good. What up? Hey. Thank you. Well, I've never been to Pakistan, but I imagine this is what it looks like. Check it out, we are now having lunch on this side of the road. We don't know where, but look at that. Gorgeous view. Lunch right over there. Alright, look at this lunch. Looks great. Oh my goodness guys, look at this road. It is bad. And it's so funny to watch everybody trying to dodge these huge potholes. Look at this. And look at this, they're doing on the scooters. Brave people. There's like a bunch of ants trying to go around obstacles. Ooh, got some air. Alright, check this out guys, we are on this beautiful road to the left And look down there, look at all those tents. Apparently, this is the area where you start climbing over there to the mountains for 6 to 7 days to get to this religious site. Apparently, it's like a religious pilgrimage. But wow, just look at that. All those people waiting for 7-day trekking. What's the name of the city again? Sonamarg. Right, we made it to the city of Sonamarg, which is that very religious place. And no? How? Sonamarg. Sorry guys, sorry. Welcome to the city of Sonamarg, and this is that religious place that you guys saw down the hill. I find a good hotel. They tried charging me $100 US for a room, and we got one for $15 here. So yeah, I got the tourist price of it. And they even gave me a 30% discount too. When you look like this, sometimes those things happen. Go down to the market and see if we find anything interesting. There's really not much else here except the view. The mountains are super amazing. Look at that. Woo! And yeah, we'll see what we find. All right, see you on the road. Forgot to mention, I'm riding the back of you guys' bike. Ah, this is so weird. Vloggers filming vloggers, that's hilarious. Alright, so here I thought there were actually cranberries in this thing, but they're actually using these bags to put local produce. And look, I was like, oh, Nature Valley, I know that brand. And I was like, this is not crunchy granola, these are just nuts. Really crazy because the altitude here. Look at that, look how inflated the bags are. It's crazy. Oh, hello. Random guy. Actually, this is our little shop where we're trying to find stuff at. Vegas is there trying to find some chips. Check it out, Vegas is actually buying socks because he's too lazy to wash. It's hilarious, you're buying socks here. They have grains, they have soap, they have chips, and they have socks. This is your one-stop shop for this little store.
Bag full of chips.
Bag full of chips, socks, deodorant, and soap. Who knew? You could get it here. So moisturizing cream. Right, so if you're wondering what $15 US buys you in this little town for hotels, let me show you. This is our hallway, and this is our room. Oh my gosh. Well, at least there's a desk, but now Vikas and I have to share this very, very small bed, which is not gonna happen, so we've actually asked for a separate mattress. Now here are the hardships of traveling like I travel. Oh, cool, what is that?
Ah, Pepsi and chips for you.
Pepsi and chips, thank you, my friend. And Guadab is the best, man, look at him. Bringing the goods. I was telling Lakshay the following is that motorcycle and vlogging do not mix, because whenever you arrive somewhere, you drive all day, you film all day. When you arrive, I have to put the computer up, I have to sit down, I have to organize my stuff, I have to shower, I have to eat, and I have to basically start editing, and I have to start downloading all the cards, charging all the batteries, and it is such a pain in the butt. So Lakshay is like, how do you do this around the world every single day? And it sucks, it's really hard. And that's why it takes me so long to upload YouTube videos. That's why it takes me so long to upload Instagram pictures, because the quality is really good. There he is, there's a man.
Man behind the adventurous journey on scooter.
That's right, on a scooter, you believe that? That's amazing. Anyway, so yeah, the struggle is that every single night it takes about 3 hours to download cards, charge batteries, do everything, and then I go to bed about 1 in the morning. So I arrive at 7, 8 in the evening, I go to bed at 1 in the morning, and it sucks. But that's basically, that is a struggle, right guys? You guys can back me up on that.
Yep, that's right.
Ain't easy what I do, but the results are pretty awesome. Just a shame that people don't like watching quality content. It's all about quantity on YouTube now. Anyway, that's my rant. It's the end of our day. Thanks for joining us. See you tomorrow.
Good night.